Alright, what's up everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into another Bangkok walk. There'll be markets, trains, there'll be temples, there'll be transformers. Hey everyone, I'm Brad. Welcome to Journeys Matter. So this is Bobae Market Pier on the Khlong Phra Kradung Kasem. This is where we're kicking off today. Right behind me is the Bobae Wholesale Market. This is the place half the market stalls in Bangkok come to get their stock. Chances are if you've bought a t-shirt at a market stall anywhere in Bangkok, it started its life right here. So let's go have a squeeze. Apparently this place is a lot crazier early in the mornings. I guess that makes sense. It's when most of the stall holders would be coming to get their stock to put in their stalls for the day. We've got elephant pants. And of course you're going to need some bags to put everything in. Well, it's a bit of a rabbit warren in there. Right, so that's most of the market inside here. But if you come out and across the road and across the canal, there's a bunch of stalls over here as well. I think it's waving me in. I'm going in. I like these Adidas knockoffs. I think we've seen enough markets though. This is your Thai railway crossing. They've knocked out a hole in the wall, laid down some planks so the bikes can get across, punched another hole in the wall on the other side. Railway crossing, mate. Woo woo, train coming. So we've popped over the tracks. There is a Buddhist temple tucked away in here somewhere. So let's see if we can go check it out. According to the googly maps, it's supposed to be open every day, but all the doors and the gates are shuttered and locked. So I guess there's no going in today. Huh? Here we go. We are open. There is no one in here. You kind of feel like you're trespassing when you walk into an empty temple. You feel like you've snuck in accidentally and you're not meant to be here. Yeah, it does appear, however, that the seated Buddha in the big hall behind me is closed, so there's no going in there. So let's keep moving, shall we? Alright, so I know where I'm going next, right? But Google Maps telling me I should turn left. I'm going to turn right. What could go wrong? Let's keep walking. Alright, so this is Hua Lamphong Station, the old Bangkok Central. Yeah, so you do still have a few trains. Now, if you come out the front and look to the right, here you'll find the Thai Railway Museum. The Term Museum is probably doing a lot of heavy lifting there. Right now it's more a collection of really cool train stuff. I think they've just trademarked the name Thai Railway Museum. Alright, so just over there is the entrance to Hua Lamphong Station, and just over here is the entrance to Hua Lamphong MRT Station. Let's keep walking. No U-turns please, no U-turns, thank you. Beautiful. Traffic. Alright, so at Hua Lamphong Station you've got options. You've reached a fork in the road. If you head this way, you can head towards Chinatown. If you go this way, you're going to head towards Talat Noi. Let's go to Talat Noi. Talat Noi is probably one of my favourite little spots in Bangkok. It's got a lot going for it, mate. Oh, and there's transformers made of car parts. Ah. Have a look at that. Listen to the dulcet sounds of the chop shops going nuts, mate. Okay, so if you know that when it rains in Bangkok, it rains cats and dogs. Down here in Talat Noi, among all the car parts, it rains dats and cogs. Ah. So yeah, apart from the transformer roundabouts and the stacked car parts, there is a Chinese temple, there is street art on just about every wall, there is awesome coffee. Bollocks, bollocks, bollocks. So that was Mother Roasters. The coffee there is very yummy. It's a lot better than Starbucks. All right, we've got one more stop to make before we get to the end. Looks like the gates are open at the Holy Rosary Church, so unexpected. Let's go have a look. Okay, so now officially leaving Talat Noi, on our way to the last stop. Alright, so here we are, last stop of the day, just outside the Portuguese Embassy. This is one of the oldest foreign missions in Bangkok. It's called Scratching the Surface, and he has literally scratch the surface. Hang on. Let's step back from this a little bit, shall we? So yeah, it's carved into the walls. It's about 15 metres long, and it's managed to carve through the top layer all the way through to the brick. This is a good spot to finish, I think. Just ahead of me there is a ferry pier. That will take me now to Saturn, and I can jump on the train. So that's another Bangkok walk, done and dusted. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment downstairs. Let me know if you've got a favourite Bangkok stop that I might be able to add to my next walk. All right, so I'm going to say goodbye now. Remember, it's not always about the destination. Journeys matter.